Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at hiding and unhiding rows and columns. Okay, here is our employees spreadsheet or workbook, and let us hide a row. Say for example, I want to hide this row 10 with the employee ID 107. Right click on the row ID, and then on the small menu that pop up, second from the bottom, what you have is hide. When you click on that, the row gets hidden from the display. And when you normally look at a spreadsheet or a worksheet, it's kind of a little bit difficult to tell if a row is hidden or not. But if you pay attention to the row IDs, you will notice it. As you can see, there's 8, 9, row ID 10 is missing, and then you see 11. So this tells me that the row is hidden. I can do the same thing for row 11, and you see it's gone from the display. And you see row 9, it's skipping 10, 11, and then you see 12. Now to unhide these rows, what you need to do is select the row 9, use your shift key, and then click row 12. That means you're pretty much selecting multiple rows, including the hidden rows. And then right click on it and then do unhide or click unhide from the menu that pops up. And that will bring the hidden rows back into the display. Now there is one other way to do the same thing, hide and unhide. Say for example, same thing, row 10. You can go to the format on the home ribbon, go to format and do hide and unhide, and then do hide rows. See, it's hidden now. And let me repeat it one more time for the row 11, and then do hide rows. That's gone. Now to unhide, let's say for example I haven't selected anything. I do format unhide, I do unhide rows. Really nothing happens, it's still there hidden. What you need to do is, again you need to select the rows, and the range that you pick should include and must include the hidden rows, and then you go here and do unhide rows. That will bring them back into the display. Now pretty much same thing applies to the columns as well. Let's say column D, right click, hide. The column is gone from the display. Let me do for another one, hide. Now there's a column missing here as well, and you can see a little thing here, two parallel lines. Now to unhide, if I select column C and E, do unhide, all it does is brings column D into the display, and here it's still hidden. Now in order to unhide this second column as well, do the same thing. It's displayed now. Now you can do the same things with options here, hide columns and unhide columns. Okay, so select. You can also do a multi-select using control. I picked 3 columns, format, and I'll do hide columns. Oh sorry, I did unhide. I'll do hide columns. They're gone now. Now to unhide, if I directly go here and do unhide columns, nothing will happen because you need to select all the rows. Now I select from C to K, and all the hidden columns are selected as well. Now I can do unhide columns, and those will be back on the display. Well, that's it about hiding and unhiding rows and columns, and you can use this to your advantage when you work with your Excel workbooks. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.